Good morning. Hope you are doing well and staying safe. Hey, I just got a brand new paddock stand for my bike, and I got this from a guy called Madrasi Engineering, based out of Chennai. So, overall, I must say, quite impressive with respect to what I got in terms of its heaviness and sturdiness. So this is a paddock stand, which is a spool type, where you get your spools of your rear swing arm sit on this. But unfortunately I could not procure the spools for the bike, as my bike never came with the spools. So so I put a thought and came up with a DIY to make a spool setup for myself. So then I did little bit of research and found out that the Allen bolts what sit on the spool mounts are of M8 size. So then I went back and searched my toolkit and found these M8 bolts, of course spare ones, extra, right? So I found this extra available with me. Then I just cleaned this particular thread portion with the WD-40 and then tried this out and works like a charm. And yes, you can mount your paddock on this thread also, but then I searched a little more in my toolbox and trunk, and found these are generic spools. Probably it came sometime back, long back, with some of the other paddock stand or something what I got for my bike. This was completely in a silver aluminium finish, because it's a aluminium bit kind of a thing, very generic stuff. So yesterday I did a one coat of base paint and one coat of silicone silver paint on this one to make it look a little appealing, right? And when I put it, so let's go ahead and install it and see how it looks. It's quite a struggle holding the camera with one hand, and then quite a struggle. Let me try this out this way. There it goes. Wow, not bad. So very simple DIY, guys. I know we go ahead and spend about say up to 2,000-2,500 for a spool in the market, but see, we could just do away with just one M8 bolt and something generic as this one, right? Let me go ahead and fix the other side. It's raining again today. I hope it's not due to some cyclone effect, like what people have been saying. So yeah, all right, there we go. So my paddock spool setup is ready to rock. So guys, that's my paddock spool setup. So there we go. So very simple DIY hack what you could try. if you do not have a real paddock spools. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. I'll also attach the a short video what I took last night of painting these spools at home right here. Hey friends, well, my bike never came with a swing arm spool actually, so in this particular lockdown I've been struggling to source a swing arm spool so that I could use my paddock stand, right? I know it's dark, please pardon me for lack of light here. So yes, so then I did some bit of research and found out that M8 size bolt is the one which sits on the swing arm screw option what is provided on the bike. So I pulled out these two screws from my toolbox where I have such things and apart from that, not only the paddocks are going to sit just on the screws, but I did find something else as well in the storeroom, that is these small little aluminium billets. Rather they are in the shape of the swing arm spools itself, probably the generic ones, and these came with some paddock stand long ago and they were lying in the trunk. So they were pure aluminium metal ones without any paint. So I've gone ahead and put some base paint on that to give it a better look and feel, and I don't really have a black paint, but I'm going to do a silver, metallic silver on this one once this is cured. And we are going to install this particular product once it is dried up tomorrow, and I'm going to show it on the bike. So yeah, thank you guys, stay safe and take care of yourselves, and talk to you all soon.